We are pleased to show you the 2026 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, adaptive cruise control, heads-up display, heated front driver and passenger seats, trip computer, universal garage door opener, tinted glass, compass. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.